How to remove a professional account on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can remove a professional account on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you want to remove a professional account on Instagram, all you have to do is first of all make sure to launch the Instagram app and then tap the profile icon from the bottom right of the screen. Then once you tap the profile icon, you can see I have a professional account. So if I want to remove it, tap the three lines option from the top right and then just go to settings. After that, you can just go to account. After you go to account, you can scroll down. Here you can see switch account type. So now you can tap on switch account type and either switch to business or maybe a personal account. Now don't switch to business because that's also a professional account. Because we want to remove professional, you have to switch to personal account here. And this way you'll be able to remove professional account on Instagram. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.